Hey, it's Steve. Did you know that the first computer programmer was a woman in the 1800s? Or that NASA still uses 40-year-old computers in space missions? Stick around as we unveil 10 mind-blowing facts about software engineering that you probably never knew. First, in the mid-19th century, Ada Lovelace wrote what is considered the first algorithm intended for a machine. She worked on Charles Babbage's analytical engine and is often hailed as the world's first computer programmer. Second, in 1947, engineers found a moth causing an error in the Mark II computer at Harvard. They taped the moth into the logbook and labeled it, "First actual case of bug being found." This incident popularized the term debugging. Third, from well-known languages like Python and Java, to niche ones like Rockstar and Whitespace, there are over 700 programming languages out there, each serving unique purposes. Fourth, NASA's space shuttles and probes often run on computers built in the 1970s and 80s. Despite what you might think, these systems are incredibly reliable and have a proven track record in the harsh environment of space. Fifth, software errors aren't just annoying, they're expensive. It's estimated that software bugs cost the global economy around $85 billion every year. Sixth, in 1983, a 15-year-old created Elk Cloner, the first widely spread computer virus. It infected Apple II computers via floppy disks and displayed a playful poem every 50th boot. Seventh, GitHub, the world's leading software development platform, hosts over 200 million repositories, showcasing the collaborative nature of modern software engineering. Eighth, the first computer game was Space War. Developed in 1962 by MIT students, Space War is considered the first digital computer game. It ran on a PDP-1 computer, paving the way for the gaming industry. Ninth, developers spend more time maintaining code than writing it. Studies show that software engineers spend about 70% of their time maintaining and debugging existing code, rather than writing new features. And 10th, the Hello World tradition started in 1974. The tradition of printing Hello World, as the first program started with the 1974 book, The C Programming Language, by Brian Kernighan and Dennis Ritchie. It's now a universal beginner step in learning to code. Software engineering is full of fascinating stories and surprising facts that shape our digital world. Which fact blew your mind the most? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more intriguing tech insights. Thanks for watching.